What up, guys? It's Clinton. I'm currently going long on the euro yen, as you can see. About to place my take profit. Boom. There we go. I'm going to take second off. Yeah, modified the take profit for the second position. And in the series of videos I'm going to be uploading very soon, I'm going to be showing the world my most effective trading strategies, how I use them, when I use them, and how you can also use them and incorporate them with your everyday trading. So as you can see, I'm currently in a trade for 2.5 pips, and we're running in profits already. We're almost there. Boom, take profit hit over $100 in less than 1 minute, less than 60 seconds. This trading system never ceases to amaze me, and there we go, another profitable trade. Take profit hit. This is kind of stellar results every trader around the world should have. It's $1 trillion market. There's enough money for everybody, the students, the mentors, the investors, the banks, the hedge funds. But not everybody can have this kind of results because they are totally oblivious to the universal truth about the market. As you can see, the market has no issues with making me money, and as a matter of fact, the market has no issues with making me money all day, every day. And as long as the right conditions are set up for me to take advantage of the market, it's going to be profits. So yeah, actually over $120 made in less than 60 seconds. I do occasionally use my strategies on other currency pairs, but it is most effective on the euro yen. This brings me to a very important lesson. Going through my account history, you can see that recently I have only been trading the euro yen. Just one currency pair can make you enough money trading for the rest of your life, because you need to understand the strengths, the weaknesses, the personality of the currency pair or pairs you are trading. Euro yen, euro yen, euro yen, euro yen, euro yen. And this is over like 20 trades that I've hit take profit because I understand the currency pair. I know what it is doing. If I'm in a trade and I'm having a drawdown, I know what the euro yen is doing. I know I'm meant to be patient. I know the market is still going to ultimately go in my direction, because I know this currency pair like back of my hands. Some of you guys like following the trend, like, oh guys, people are trading indices like US30 today, you're all over there. If people are trading gold today, I'm trading the pound yen today. Don't follow the noise. Stick to what works for you. One currency pair is more than enough to make you money for the rest of your trading career. So pick one and stick to it. We are not far gone into the year yet, so you can still unify your thinking, get your shit together, and take your trading game to the next level. Myself and a couple of members from the academy got in some of these trades together, one-on-one students, and left the market with profits. If you want to copy my trades too and leave the market, simply connect your live trading account to mine and leave the market with profits. Feel free to visit the website or send me an email. So yeah, pretty much another easy trade taken today, and all these trades are taken in one day. Today is the 22nd of March. At least over 10 trades he take profit today. So if you want to get the course and understand how I look at the market, how I get into trades, you can visit the website. Clinton signing out from Dubai. Like, share, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this and actually learn how to take your trading game to the next level. Have a nice